In this video, we'll be showing you how you can apply for a loan in Chase. First is to access www.chase.com, and then here you will see a series of tabs to choose from. But today, we are focusing on applying a loan. So select the home loans, and this will show you this drop down where you have to quickly apply for a mortgage, or you can also buy a home. So click the apply for a mortgage, and as you can see, this online feature is currently unavailable, but we have a solution for that. You just need to contact these telephone bankers directly in order to complete your transaction or your process for your application on your loan. And of course, you need to contact the home equity line of credit loans, which is made for the home loans. And just type this number into your mobile phone or into your telephone number, and that's it. That's how you can apply a loan in your Chase account or in Chase. And thank you for listening.